On a local area network, or LAN, nodes can communicate with each other through their physical MAC addresses. This works well on small scale because switches can quickly learn the MAC addresses connected to each of their ports to forward transmissions appropriately. But MAC addressing isn't a scheme that scales well. Every single network interface on the planet has a unique MAC address, and they aren't ordered in any sort of systematic way. There's no way of knowing where on the planet a certain MAC address might be at any one point in time, so it's not ideal for communicating across distances. Later on in this lesson, when we introduce ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol, you'll see that the way that nodes learn about each other's physical addressing isn't translatable to anything besides a single network segment anyway. Clearly, we need another solution. And that is the network layer, and the Internet Protocol, or IP, and the IP addresses that come along with it. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify an IP address, describe how IP datagrams are encapsulated inside the payload of an Ethernet frame, and correctly identify and describe the many fields of an IP datagram header.